will not tolerate this type of stupid injustice done to our people. If we have put an example today by giving it to the DGP, we expect immediate action. The due authority, as our advocate has said, will be met, and we will ensure that justice prevails and the action against these people are taken and these guys are booked for what they have done. Elections there, the last 15 days of election, there was gross misuse of machinery, power, abuse, flying squad, सगळे complaints आम्ही register केले, action झाले ना. सगळं misuse of power was done by the government machinery. Still we went ahead with the elections because we didn't want to lose focus. But जे election सोपतकर जे गजाली start झाल्या, that is gross misuse of power from the government machinery continues. Last instance was what happened on Saturday night. As a part of the candidate and my election agent and my election coordinator, we had gone as per EC guidelines to check the sealing of the EVMs. थंय सिलिंगाक गेल्ल्याकडे the type of atrocities म्हणजे what you could do, जे कंप्लेन जाली थंय लॉज, आमी कांयच करना आसतना आमी आमच्या हक्काक प्रमाणे गेल्ले आनी थंय तांणी केलो आनी ते ट्राय टू शो दॅट वी हॅव डन समथींग रॉंग. पुलिसेन थंय सारकी म्हणजे गुंडाइजम इन पुलीस युनिफॉर्म वॉज डन बाय दीस टू DYSPs, Serafin Dias and DYSP Mahesh Bolkar along with Mahesh Gaonkar. These people have along with their troops tried to intimidate, insult and got aggressive on that particular thing. Intimidating video घेऊन, camera घेऊन, आंगार येवप, हे सगळे तांणी प्रयत्न केले. Maybe basically they had some instruction from his BJP bosses. Cameras were all around the place. I have asked for suspension of these two people, DYSP Serafin and DYSP Mahesh Gaonkar at the earliest. कित्याक हे दोगूय जाण जे पर्यंत पुलिसेन आसा, पुलिशेचें नांव बदनाम ते बदनाम, गुंडागिरी जे करता ते बंद जावपाक जाय. They have to be booked for what they have done. What they have done is wrong. After elections, they are continuing all these things, which is the fear that law is being misused. It is totally a death of democracy what is happening under the instructions of one person who is trying to remote control the police. I think the action has to be done. We are going through all possible legal measures. We will ensure that these two people, along with the people who have been participating there, they have to be, action has to be taken from the police. समज बंद झाले ना जाल्यार समज police action केना ह्या हांचेर, we will be forced to take the people of Porvorim on the streets and ensure that action is taken. We are only asking for justice, nothing more. म्हाका दिसता सगळे गोंय भायर सरतले हे समज जाग्यार येना जाल्यार, and I am trying to set an example that police have to do their duties, not get into to please their political bosses. जाय जाल्यार हांणी काम सोडचें आनी ताच्या ऑफिसाचे भायर वचून रावचें सेक्युरिटी म्हणून पर्सनल. पुलिसेन काम करपाची गरज ना.
Now this complaint is being lodged before the DGP, asking him for investigation into the matter, as well as suspension of these two police officers, as well as a complaint will be filed now before the SPCA. I have been instructed to do that, as well as a complaint is also being made to the chief election officer to investigate and book these people for whatever that they have done. One thing for sure, that if such things continue, and especially if high-ranking police officers exhibit such conduct, it sends a wrong message to their underlines. The police, with all the authority that they have, must conduct themselves respectfully, and they have no right to talk disrespectfully to anybody.
उत्तर गोंयचो SP कार्तिक कश्यप म्हणटा रोहन खंवटेची खंय कंप्लेन घेतल्या आनी ते चौकशी करतले. प्रुडंटा खातीर निलेश परवार आनी मुकेश कुमार.